Okay, we're going to talk about sanding, and in this case we're going to talk about getting this cowling portion faired onto the fuselage. So I've got the filler in there. This is, what is this, 80 grit? And I don't want to put any weight into it. I just want to let the sandpaper do the work. So I'm not pressing down. I'm just cleaning off the high spots in the frosting, in the spackle. So I don't want to make any scratches on here. I really just want to fair this in and take down that flange. And I really want to try and stay off of the other pads here. Getting stuff on my hands. Probably too close. Anyway, come out here a little bit. Hopefully you can see this. Alright, well, we're making progress. I'm going to go with 120 grit for a minute and just see if I can see where we are here. If I can get it onto the block. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, it looks like the filler was still a little bit wet, which is interesting because I put that on this morning. It was late afternoon on a dry day. And you can see it's tearing just a little bit here, which means it's wet. So I'm going to stop in a minute. it's smooth anyway. And then we'll do another application over this. Yeah, surprising that it's still a little wet. You can see we're also going to be, oops, we're also going to be filling on this side of the cowling too. As we take that flange down, we may end up cleaning most of that away, if not all of it, but you can see that there might be a bit of a void on the back side of it, which the filler will take care of as well. Not only on the front side, but on this side as well. And we're going to have this sanded smooth all the way around, and it is going to take some time. But that's the initial pass. This is all fine. This is no problem. We'll just keep using filler, keep sanding until we have a nice transition here, right over that seam, or right through it, depending. Hopefully more over it than through it. Okay? Anyway, that's step one of the process of smoothing this out. Enjoy.